Ever pondered what PyTorch is and why it holds such a pivotal role in the realm of data science? Well, today we're diving into this topic to unravel the mystery behind PyTorch and its significance in data science. In the simplest terms, PyTorch is an open-source machine learning library that's based on Torch. It's a scientific computing framework with wide-ranging support for machine learning algorithms. Developed by Facebook's Artificial Intelligence Research Group, it serves as a powerful tool for two major aspects of data science: tensor computations and creating deep learning models. Now, you might be wondering, what on earth is a tensor? Picture a tensor as a multidimensional array. PyTorch allows for these complex computations with tensors, which are fundamental to the operations of deep learning models. But PyTorch isn't just about tensor computations. It also provides immense flexibility and speed during the implementation of deep learning models. How so? PyTorch utilizes a method called dynamic computation graphs. In contrast to static graphs used in other libraries, dynamic computation graphs enable PyTorch to change the graph on the go. This allows for a highly interactive and intuitive interface, which data scientists find incredibly valuable during the model development process. Moreover, PyTorch boasts an easy-to-understand syntax and a simple interface. This user-friendly nature makes it perfect for beginners in the field of machine learning and data science. It also provides a seamless transition from other Python-based libraries, making it an excellent choice for Python enthusiasts. But where does PyTorch fit into the grand scheme of data science? Well, PyTorch finds applications in a myriad of fields. From creating transformative deep learning models to powering the computational needs of scientific research, PyTorch is a go-to choice for many data scientists. It's extensively used in applications like computer vision and natural language processing, where it's capable of handling complex computations with ease. Now, let's quickly summarize what we've learned about PyTorch. It's an open-source machine learning library, perfect for tensor computations and deep learning model creation. Its dynamic computation graphs offer flexibility and speed, and its user-friendly interface makes it a favorite among beginners and Python lovers alike. And when it comes to its role in data science, PyTorch shines in its ability to handle complex computations and build transformative models in fields like computer vision and natural language processing. So the next time you hear about PyTorch in a discussion about data science, you'll know exactly why it's a crucial part of the conversation. It's more than just a tool, it's a powerful ally in the quest to understand and interpret the world of data.